Practice Test 2. Part 1. Question 1. Wattmeter is connected in series, in a circuit. Wattmeter, series. Wattmeter connected in series, in a circuit. Connect a wattmeter in series in a circuit. Wattmeter, series. Question 2. An ohm meter is pegged to the right, when put across the capacitor of a motor starter circuit. What is wrong with the motor? The capacitor is no good if ohm meter is pegged to the right on motor starter. If an ohm meter is pegged to the right on a motor starter circuit, then the capacitor is no good. When using an ohm meter, if the meter is pegged to the right on motor start circuit, then capacitor is no good. Ohm meter pegged right, bad capacitor. Question 3. Why would a ground be run through a panel without being connected? It is against code to run a ground through a panel without bonding it. You cannot run a ground through a panel without bonding it. You must always bond a ground when running it through a panel. Question 4. What is the problem if the service panel is hot? Loose connections cause service panels to be hot. Loose connections are the cause of a hot service panel. Hot service panels are caused by loose connections. Question 5. What do you use to bend 1 1/4 EMT conduit? Chicago type bender for 1 1/4 EMT. Chicago type bender for 1 1/4 EMT. Chicago, 1 1/4 EMT. Bend 1 1/4 EMT with a Chicago type bender. Chicago, 1 1/4 EMT. Question 6. What do you use to bend 1 1/4 RMC conduit? Full shoe bender for 1 1/4 RMC. Full shoe bender for 1 1/4 RMC. Full shoe, 1 1/4 RMC. Bend 1 1/4 RMC with full shoe bender. Full shoe, 1 1/4 RMC. Full shoe, 1 1/4 RMC. Question 7. What do you use to bend 1 1/4 PVC conduit? Electric type bender for 1 1/4 PVC. Electric type bender for 1 1/4 PVC. Electric type, 1 1/4 PVC. Bend 1 1/4 PVC with electric type bender. Electric type, 1 1/4 PVC. Electric type, 1 1/4 PVC. Question 8. What do you use to bend 1 1/4 EMT conduit? Chicago type bender for 1 1/4 EMT. Chicago type bender for 1 1/4 EMT. Bend 1 1/4 EMT with a Chicago type bender. Chicago type, EMT. Chicago type, EMT. Question 9. What do you use to bend 1 1/4 RMC conduit? Full shoe bender for 1 1/4 RMC. Full shoe bender for 1 1/4 RMC. Bend 1 1/4 RMC with full shoe bender. Full shoe, RMC. Full shoe, RMC. Question 10. What do you use to bend 1 1/4 PVC conduit? Electric type bender for 1 1/4 PVC. Electric type bender for 1 1/4 PVC. Bend 1 1/4 PVC with electric type bender. Electric type, PVC. Electric type, PVC. Question 11. How far from the outlet box is the AC cable required to be secured? 12 inches from outlet box must be strapped for AC cable. Must secure AC cable within 12 inches from the outlet box. Secure AC cable 12 inches from outlet boxes. Question 12. How far from the outlet box is EMT required to be secured? 36 inches from outlet box must be strapped for EMT. Secure EMT 36 inches from the outlet box. Must secure EMT 36 inches from outlet boxes. Question 13. After being awarded the bid, a walkthrough with the owner and architect is to determine the exact placement of outlets. A walkthrough with the owner and architect is determine exact placement of outlets, after getting the bid. Determine the exact placement of outlets with owner and architect after getting the bid.